Hi, I'm Sandro, the boat builder in town. Well, yeah, part-time only. 4 years ago I was sitting under a mango tree drawing some lines in the dust. The beginning of a project. Come along this journey of crafting and sailing Endra. Before we start patching the bulkhead in, I want to quickly check up with the plans, from which I have deviated quite a bit lately, or better speaking, they never have been really definite. As a matter of fact, it has been a very good orientation at the beginning to draw the lines and read the dimensions. I was enriching the design all along the building process with inspirations. In general, I keep a rather loose relationship with the plans and take decisions right on the spot. So I intended early to build a cabin and integrated this into the concept. It was not until recently I rejected this idea. First, it was probably a time management decision. It's my eager goal to pre-launch Endra this summer. Pre-launch because it shall be without rig. Later, she shall come out of the water once again, go back to the shop for another last year, and be equipped with mast and sails. But then I also loved the idea of a broad spreading deck, and frankly it wouldn't have been worth the little space I gained. I'm going to bang my head anyways on the deck beams. How tiny my cabin actually is going to be will be revealed by the bulkhead. But nonetheless, I'm orientating myself after the big projects, taking Leah's tally-ho and diagonal panelled bulkheads. I have some mahogany planks left and going to give them some key and slot shines. Shall we? Boat building doesn't add up. You invest hundreds of hours in labor, thousands of dollars in material and dozens of sleepless nights breeding over unsolved tasks. Just to send a vessel to the water, where it will be soon consumed by corrosion and wrecked by misfortune. And why? Knowing where this doomed journey ends, like all rush for gold, empty-handed. But it's not for replenished pockets we go out. It's because we are restless, curious, seeking. And one thing I'm looking forward to pass on my journey this mango tree once more, where someday a story ended and another started. Boy, I almost taste the sweet juice diffusing in my mouth and feel the gentle ocean winds. Done. And it's looking fine, I think. Sometime I gotta install the coaming to frame the bulkhead on top. But that's for another day. Thanks a lot for watching. Looking forward to see you again. Bye.